Hi my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy, and today guys I have the very most interesting bit of everything that I've always ever talked about on this channel. Today is just gonna be about having a very healthy feet. How do you control your feet? What causes issues to have problems with your feet? But before we go into any details guys, for those who haven't really subscribed on my channel and you've just landed on this channel just by luck, it's not a problem guys. Please just stay on this channel, keep watching me, and if you want to leave me a comment, please just feel free, go ahead and just leave me a comment. I'll be very happy to know what your thoughts are. And of course, just gonna keeping it very simple. I won't make things very complicated, and today I have just decided to have a cup of tea. And yeah, usually I have water, but it's a bit cold and getting colder in German. Oh my goodness guys, really I just don't like it when it's cold. I usually have matcha tea and kräuter just to relax me, because you know guys, the stress gets onto my nerves, and I'm like, you know, I just want to go in a warm area, in a warm country, and chill right over there. But right now, because of the COVID, nothing is gonna be just done in our way. So guys, I have to keep calm and just sip my cup of tea. Cheers guys. So let's go straight into everything. How do I really start to look at to have a very healthy feet? Well, number one, you always every day just have to moisturize your feet, just like you brush your teeth. Please do me a favor, moisturize your feet. How do you moisturize your feet? You get something after you have showered or you've cleaned your feet. Don't forget to get a small towel and just go in between your toes and just make sure that they are well dried. That is done. I won't take so long, but please moisturize every day like you would brush your teeth. Okay, I'm just going to give you a small tip. I hope this can help you. I have what they call body scrub. This body scrub is from Rituals, the ritual of Ayurveda. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So for me, every once in a week, I really give myself a nice treat. If at all this goes like empty, or if it's finished and I've run out of it, what I usually do, I just get warm water, not too hot, warm water with mouthwash, and put a little bit of some vinegar in my warm water, and then soak my feet for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm sure for me as Raquel, that's enough. As I sit and watch TV or watch a series or read my book, I'm also taking good care of my feet. After, I remove and then dry my feet with a towel, sorry guys, and then I will moisturize. That's it. It's not so complicated and you're all good to go. But please take care of your feet. Number 3, avoid wearing high-heeled shoes every day. My sisters, ladies out there guys, if this is not your job, like air hostesses, actually even these days they improved on their standards. They're not supposed always to wear high-heeled shoes. So that's something that is really gonna stress your feet, and in the long run You might have issues. For me as Raquel, I really love sneakers, and for me, I am all about doing healthy, having very healthy stuff. And well, looking so pretty is okay, but I can rarely do it. Occasionally, yeah, but not every day. It's a no-go, actually. Even in German, you cannot have high-heeled shoes because of the weather. We are chasing trains. It's a different thing. So guys out there in warm countries, try to look after your feet. I don't want to say here on this country, but please avoid high-heeled shoes every day. And another thing I would say, please avoid wearing very tight shoes are very, very, very bad because they might cause deformation of your feet. If your feet was proportional, if you wear very tight shoes, they are gonna be you're gonna have the discomfort. So that means you'll have issues in the end when you're getting older, when you grow, like when you start reaching in your 50s, you'll always have like pain, seriously. And also, by the way guys, do not ever ignore feet pain. That's no go. If you have any pain, it's just like sickness, straight away go and see your doctor, and please just address your problem, and they have to look into this. If they have to take some examination, please let them do, but do not ever let any injury on your feet just to keep growing. No. Another tip that I would like also to give you is, please try to cut your toenails straight. Like you can see my fingers. You just cut on your feet, you just cut your nails straight, like really straight. Well, I'm a beautician. I like to feel you know what I'm talking about, ladies out there. Occasionally I can do my nails, I can have my nails very long, but in terms of living healthy, I just like, sometimes as Raquel, I leave my nails short without anything and I'm good to go. If I want to put some color, I have definitely the color, and then I will just paint myself, and that's it. I will also save some coins, So guys, another thing I would also recommend, try to rotate your shoes. Like, try to rotate shoes not every day using the same pair of shoe. I know right over there in the world, excuse me, you might not be really able to have different kinds of pair of shoes, but at least if you have them, then try to swap them. Today this pair of shoe, maybe for tomorrow, and then Wednesday you can have another pair of shoe, and just like that. So that will help you, like in terms of bacteria, if anything was in your shoe, just like to breathe again and have another breath, such that you don't give issues to the people who are around you. When I put off your shoes and you're good to go, but once you keep wearing the same shoes, really, you never know what is gonna happen. So another thing for the guys who are actually wearing closed shoes, try as much as possible to avoid very thin socks. Try to wear very thick socks to protect you from having corns. When you wear closed shoes, make sure your shoe is not really tight, like I said initially, but also just try to make sure thick, such that they protect you from, like, let me call them walls, like you don't get any corns. Okay, if you are wearing, let me say, open shoes, guys, sorry, if you're wearing open shoes, do me a favor, could you just use a sunblock? If you're wearing open shoes, light-skinned people, people of color, always just protect your skin. Men, women, we all have the same issues in terms of skin problems, because the skin is always gonna be a skin. Let it be a woman, let it be a man, let it be a child. That's it. And another thing, we are going to be also looking at the hormones, things that might also give you some changes. We have hormones for the pregnant ladies, pregnant women. Let me say, if you're taking some of the medication, all these things are gonna, they might, I'm not saying like they're gonna do that, but they might also bring you some issues in terms of feet deformation. So don't worry if the baby is born, congratulations, and you're all good to go. With the time, the feet is gonna go back to its normal size. So you have also just to keep note, the feet might change its normal size. So don't worry, I got your back. I did all this, and then you guys, I'm sure you'll be like, wow, oh, I really didn't know this. Well, maybe you knew that, but it's a reminder. There is what we call hyperhidrosis. That is when you have a very sweaty feet. This one is very common with men and young adults. It's a bit rare in women, but basically men and young adults. If you really happen to find this kind of a problem, just do me a favor, just go and meet a doctor. Please address your problem, and I'm telling you, they will give you the best information. As for me, as Raquel, I have some of this. I have balms, like for instance, if depends on when I really feel. If it's really hot, I use the gel. If I feel if I have a very talking out, like a dry skin, I use this one for the dryness. And sometimes I'm a person who really likes hot water, which is a no-go for health. Guys, do not shower too hot water. Do not soak your feet in too hot water. It's no go. And then also have, this is basically for people who are having diabetes. So, well, that's it. And when you cut your nails, please don't forget to file them to avoid breakages. Just in case it gets a breakage, it might go into your skin, and then it might start going inside inside the toe. It might be very painful. It might cause you lots of issues. And also the filer right over here. As Raquel, I use both of these. After when I cut, I just try to go around my I buff, and then also try to file on the edges, and that's it. So guys, why don't you just allow me to say thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you again. I'm going to be trying to look onto the things that what can really help us to go further by being very healthy. I think the next topic after this one, having a very healthy topic, healthy feet, I'm going to be how we can have very healthy fingers or hands, and how you can also take care of that for yourself. But again guys, I cannot really thank you enough. I am really very excited for letting you know the next video. Also guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your lives, and I will be enjoying my tea. Bye.